So I decided that I would share my food haul, grocery haul. A lot of people love my grocery hauls, and I don't have to edit it, so I can just record it and get it to you guys. Now, on our menu for Thanksgiving is going to be cornbread dressing. Excuse me, I was eating something, so excuse me. Cornbread dressing, candied yams. Well, sweet, but you know, you make it sweet potatoes, basically. Sweet potatoes, yams, whatever. People call them the same thing, but they're really not. We're going to have my mushroom gravy. I'm going to do green beans with potatoes and smoked turkey in it. We're going to do a pineapple Dr. Pepper ham. And I'm going to be doing macaroni and cheese. And I said dressing. So macaroni and cheese dressing. My gravy, mushroom gravy, my green beans, sweet potato pies, and pecan pies. And I want to say that is it. Did I skip anything? And we're going to have some dinner rolls. So today my hubby and I went out to Rite, Aldi's, and Walmart and the bakery outlet to get the items we needed for Thanksgiving. I'm not doing a whole bunch, but I'm doing a nice, decent dinner for me, my family. And that's basically it, because we're not inviting anybody over. My mom-in-law will be coming over, but like anybody else, like outsiders, not too many people are being invited at all. So, all right. So, I needed some more pie pans, so I got the regular dish, not the deep dish. I got 2 deep dish already, which is like what I like to make my sweet potatoes in, but then I can do these for my pecan pies. So I have 2 of those, and these were like $2.38, which is a great deal if you bake and make your own crust. I have some smoked turkey necks from Rite, and this is going to be in my dressing and in my green beans and potatoes. I have a ham, which is a 9-pound, yeah, almost 9.5 pounds. So we have that. I have these 2 candles. So these are the only things I got from Walmart is these 2. I have a hazelnut cream and a vanilla cupcake. I will do this one for Christmas and this one for Thanksgiving. And they were on sale. These are normally $4 something. They was like $3.90 on sale, so I grabbed those. I did an actual DIY for Christmas with these tops and stuff last year, so you can go check out my Christmas DIYs from last year, and you can see what I do with these after I'm done. So then moving along, I have a bag of green beans, and the green beans were on sale, $1.99 a pound, and you literally have to go through and pick through the box and get the good ones out of there. So that's what I did, and I think that's about 3-4 pounds. And then I have some turkey wings. These are not for Thanksgiving. These are just for us to have because I like to make the turkey wings with the gravy. Then I also like to do the Cajun turkey wings. So I have those. These are mushrooms, and I love these containers. And I recorded a video. I haven't shown you guys it of how I organize with different containers. And I love these. I love these. Especially how the thickness of them. They're the perfect thickness for a video that you guys will be seeing. So that'll be for my mushroom gravy, and a little bit may go in my dressing. It depends. Sometimes I put mushrooms, sometimes I don't. My pineapple for my ham. I got some whipped cream because I just like to have that on hand when I make pies. Condensed milk for my pies from Aldi's. So everything, all that up there was Rite. And then moving along, time is here, so I have to have my chocolate. I got 2 things of butter, real butter from Aldi's. I love their butter. I love to bake with their butter. And I have a stalk of celery for my dressing. I got 2 bags of sweet potatoes, which is a good price during the holidays. It's like $120 something, $125 or something a bag. Great price. I got my cheese for my macaroni, but I also am going to be using some of the white sharp for the steak and cheese sandwiches that we're having. I got some dinner rolls. We love the dinner rolls around the holidays. Sometimes we do cornbread or fried cornbread, but we want to do the dinner rolls this time. I also got this from Aldi's, and I think I'm going to put my dressing in this one, and that was 98 cents. Moving along, I got 2 bags of pecans. These pecans are expensive. These were $5 per bag. If you guys know another place to get them cheaper, let me know, because I paid $10 for 2 bags of pecans for my pies. I got some onions. I got some potatoes. I got my ginger ale. I always got to have ginger ale on deck. Provolone, because it's going to go in my steak sandwiches. If you guys see my pita pocket steak sandwiches, I kind of do the same thing with the actual steak sandwiches that I do on a roll. So, you guys can go check out that video and my cooking video. It is the bomb. Peppers to put in, some of the meals. I don't know, a couple of the meals will have some peppers in it. And I needed peppers anyway. So then this is the shaved beef. I already have one in the freezer, so we needed two, because my mom-in-law, usually when I cook dinner, she eats as well. So if you like to do steak sandwiches, this is the best, because it's real beef and not that fake steak-'em sandwich meat. So I always, try to grab these. Rizzy and my daughter love Takis. Now we're getting to all this stuff here was at the bread outlet. I paid $2.46 for all of this stuff. All of this stuff here. $2.46. And these are some more dinner rolls. And these are Artesian dinner rolls. Sara Lee. And they are so freaking soft. So freaking soft. Never had them. If you had them, let me know if they are really good. And then for dinner, one of the dinner days this month is going to be kibasis. That's why I needed peppers. Well, onions and peppers. So, and chips. Like a quick dinner day. And it's something my daughter would probably make on a day that I didn't want to cook. And then I have some steak rolls for the actual beef here to make the steak sandwiches. So that's another day of dinner. So I have some of things in here for meals throughout the rest of the month. But then I also have the remaining of the stuff is for the actual Thanksgiving dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did I tell you guys? Yeah, I think I did tell you. These are on sale, so you might want to go grab these. These smell so freaking good. People sleep on Walmart candles, and Walmart and all these candles are the bomb. So if they're on sale and you see them and they smell good, grab them. You won't be disappointed. So that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'm not going to edit this, so I'm just going to get it right to you guys. So I will talk to you guys later, gators.